Okay, we are in downtown. Woo, we're right by the pot shop. It totally smells. We're in Spenard. Yeah, we're in Spenard.
Hey guys, so today is a different take because this is the sleazy part of a town.
We're gonna be classy today, Yuliya.
Well, we're classy, but it's the sleazy part of a town. That's where I actually first time end up in my walk. Okay. And unfortunately, I got a bunch of proposals.
You never. Well, I think that a lot of people don't realize. They hear that it's a historic part of Anchorage.
It's actually, it wasn't an Anchorage. It was a separate Spenard town.
Right.
Yeah, and so people, Spenard actually built this road.
Okay.
On his with his car, right? He would dress up in yellow suit with a hat. So he was such a promoter. So there was Anchorage was on the 4th Avenue, and 10th Town, and Spenard. When he came, he started.
Okay, like in the forest, right?
Oh, no. This is a really scary part of the town. So we're not afraid. I'm in pink jacket. I'm all ready for not being afraid.
You have some protection in here.
No, I don't. I'm just Russian crazy.
Right now.
No. Let's get out. Let's show this artwork, and you can tell them about it.
This is some artwork on the side of a Hummer. We love Alaska. We're just trying to figure this all out. Okay. Yeah,
that's the spirit of Spenard. Here you go. He would pack lumberjacks into the truck. Okay. He brought first cars into Anchorage, and he'll bring.
So he was like a car dealer.
Yeah. Well,
that's why he had a suit.
Yeah, he had to promote, and so then he would get a bunch of people who was working in lumber drive to Spenard Lake to party because he built first in Anchorage dance place, whatever. The dance